not far.
All right. Then let's speak when we are all there.
Yes, okay.
All right.
Oh, he said walk over here. Ah, yes, we can walk. It's close. Ah,
Good luck.
yeah, good luck. See you.
Bye bye.
Guys, we met in the station. They helped us to find a hotel. They also go to Pilosу. They go today by own car. Смотри, они, короче, они хотят арендовать машину. Hello. Hello, hello. Пойдем до сюда. Они берут машину. Короче, они берут машину сегодня, арендуют и едут своим ходом до Умхан. Потом они хотят с Умхан тоже завтра рано утром начать свой путь на машине до водопада. Но я сказала им, что сейчас в сезон дождей дорога размыта, на машине невозможно проехать. Сейчас я спрошу, мэм, they want to take a car and go to Umhang, and from Umhang tomorrow morning start trip by own car to waterfall. Is it possible?
No, cannot.
I told them to because the
It's
road
there
is
as far as just only begin, but they have to go with as much. It's my bad motorcycle. After that, I gotta buy the motorcycle of the officer in the national park. Cannot buy car at all. ก็คือ driving 3 hours, walk 3 hours, and on the way back, walk 3 hours, driving 3 hours.
but it's impossible to go by car.
Buy car to the front right?
And then okay, I got it. Okay, and if they join our group, it will be cheaper for us or not?
I think so, but I have to